All right, here we go again. I got the Instant Pot going tonight. And we're going to do some St. Louis style pork ribs. Make this video short. What I did, I'll take a rack and I cut them in half. I pre-season them. I use a little stock in the bottom of the pot, as you can see. So they're all seasoned up, ready to go. We're going to let this run for about 15-20 in an Instant Pot. They're going to be falling off the bone. Hold tight. All right, so just like before, let's sit it down, lock it, close the venting door, and we're going to use a preset option for meat. We want it on normal. I don't know if you can see that. Yes, normal. And she's set and ready to go. Once the machine realizes it's locked and loaded, it will start. There you go. 35 minutes later, we'll have cooked ribs, and we'll see what the next process looks like. Wait for it. Here they come. All right, let's see what ribs in a pressure cooker look like. Oh, boy, look at the meat drawn back off the bone. Oh, this is going to be good. Stage 2. All right, so here we go to the final stage. We got 15 minutes, 17 minutes in the pressure cooker. You can see the meat is drawn back off the bone. Technically, these ribs are done, but we want them barbecued. So they're going in the oven now, just long enough to get the barbecue sauce. Yeah, you know what I mean. Oh boy. Yeah. That's good falling off the bone. Everything. That's an Instant Pot, y'all. That's what it does. Time to eat. Good night.